New York City is a buzz, and you can't help but be absorbed into it. The second you step outside, the buzz just enters you, and there's nothing you can do about it. You either love it or you hate it. I'm Linnea.
I'm Paul.
And we live in Manhattan.
And we both do voiceover for Fiverr.
Ride's Wedding Guide will help
More and more air conditioners are being used.
I've been acting since I was a kid. And since I was around 14, I've known that it was something that I was just gonna have to pursue forever.
I found it a little bit later in life, for sure. I went to school for economics and finance. My voiceover work on Fiverr really lends itself to my work on the stage, and they go hand in hand together.
You're just doubly ready. You're showing up. The work ethic that I've gotten from doing my Fiverr work every single day has really, really helped in being present and active and prepared and professional. On Fiverr so far, I've done almost 20,000 gigs, and I've always been a huge fan of the 10,000 hour practice to become an expert rule, and I feel like I'm getting close to there after 4 years.
Practice gets you really good at things. Fiverr, doing it on an everyday basis, has catapulted my skill level, my ability, tenfold, more so than if I didn't have this platform to really create and express myself.
The experience I've had is invaluable. I'm essentially a sound engineer at this point.
It's paid education.
Fiverr, oh my gosh, gives so much freedom to what we are pursuing outside of it. I fully intended on taking an actor-specific job like waitress or retail or being a dog walker, and thanks to Fiverr, I've never had to do that.
Pick something that you love doing, and then it's not work. And I think we both, without a doubt, really enjoy recording voiceover. There's a hustle in New York City that definitely transcends into how we work on Fiverr. People come to New York City to move quickly and do great things, and that'll push you to do the same for yourself.
Hi, welcome to eMoney Lanka. We are here to guide you how to earn money online without investment with Fiverr.com and other online job sites. Learn from home, work from home. eMoney Lanka, step-by-step online job training DVDs. Don't miss out. Get yours today. To get more information, visit our website www.onlineemoney.com or call 077-66-205-23. Thank you. We are the most innovative web marketing company in Sri Lanka. We deliver low cost but professional and perfect online marketing services. We are specialized in web design, development, social media marketing, email marketing, video marketing, graphic design, search engine optimization, online jobs, training and video creation for your business or a product. If you're willing to boost your business and increase online sales, just call our hotline 077-66-205-23 or visit our website www.emoneylanka.lk. Thank you.